Coupons are a great way to attract customers and drive sales. However, offering discounts on entire products is a big limitation. So we've made the controls even more granular by targeting specific prices or variants within a product. Let's learn how to use it. Head to the Coupons tab inside the Payments section and click the Create Coupon button. Fill out your coupon details as normal, then scroll to the Coupon Usage Rules and Restrictions section. Check the box next to Limit to selected products on which the coupon can be applied, and click Browse. Select the specific products you want to apply this coupon to by opening the drop-down, then mark the box next to the variants or price points you want to include. Coupons can now be configured to apply to entire products, specific prices, or variants, giving you granular control that simplifies offer integration and workflow management. Existing coupons continue to work as is, applying the updated logic to only newly created coupons, updated coupons, and future orders, helping you have smarter checkouts without disrupting your current flow. We hope you enjoy it.